It was a beautiful bonfire night. Campers from different places were having fun, talking to each other, laughing, and sharing experience with their new friends. Everything was perfect except for one thing. They were not alone. A beautiful little doll was watching them. The little China doll was close, but no one wanted to play with her. Everyone was eating and telling scary stories. The little China doll always does what she wants. China doll is in the camp. China doll is getting mad. China doll is behind you. China doll is shocking in the distance.